Friends, ano ba tong dalawang klaseng paraan sa pag-invest through insurance? Yung dalawang na to friends, yung dalawang ways na to are yung endowment and yung VUL Sa video na to mga friends, i-explain ko sa inyo yung differences, okay? So in terms of yung ROI, saan ini-invest yung pera, kanino bagay ito, okay? Yan yung i-discuss natin for this video, So doon muna tayo sa endowment mga friends. So, pag endowment na klase ng plan mga friends, ito yung low but guaranteed na ROI, So, hindi naman to katulad ng, how do I say this? Hindi naman to katulad ng mga stock funds or mga equity funds o kaya anything equity-based na, mataas ngayong ROI pero mataas din yung risk mga friends, Sa endowment na plan mga friends, low but guaranteed ROI. Typically, sinastructure to ng mga insurance providers where not necessarily percentage yung makukuha mo, pero yung, how do I say this? Yung cash amount, okay? Kasi per year or every other year, depende for how long, okay? Meron kang fixed amount na makukuha mga friends, Of course, depende yan sa premium na kukunin mo, okay? Kasi ganoon naman yung life insurance mga friends, di ba? Pwede natin i-customize yung premium depende sa budget natin. So, ano yun mga friends? Directly proportional yun, So, kung mas malaki yung premium mo in an endowment plan pala, mas malaki din yung cash payouts. Alright mga friends? Now, yung time horizon naman ng mga endowment yung time horizon naman ng mga endowment na plan mga friends, Actually, depende. Okay, minsan may nagsistructure na by the 5th year, may particular amount ka na makukuha or by the 7th year, ganun nga, or 10th year, okay. Basahin nyo maigi yung plan mga friends, paano sinastructure ng plan yung cash payouts, o kaya kung meron din bang maturity benefit, okay, where parang either total amount of premiums makuha mo ulit, okay? So parang nag-break even ka lang, parang ganun ba? So yeah, typically ganun yung mga endowment na plan mga friends, how do I say this? Cash payouts in terms of yung parang ROI mo ba? Yet, meron ding depende, parang over time meron ka ring cash payout, like I said, cash payouts na makuha. So yeah, depende talaga yan paano si structure ng provider mga friends, Kaya basahin nyo maigi, research nyo maigi yung plan mga friends, So, in terms of saan naman in-invest yung pera nyo dito mga friends? So, yung mga life insurance companies mga friends, they are also asset owners, okay? And nag-i-invest din sila in assets like or investments like yung mga government bonds. Ito kasi yung mga klase ng investment where ganun din, low but guaranteed yung ROI. Another investment naman mga friends where the life insurer invests your money is yung sarili nilang how do I say this? Commercial real estate, okay? Napansin nyo ba may mga life insurers na may mga building, okay? So, napansin ko sa Makati, here in Manila, I've noticed Sun Life, okay? Insular, of course, kami sa AIA, we also have several buildings, So, yung na yan mga friends, yung mga buildings na yan, okay, that's commercial real estate. And that is a cash flow generator for the life insurer, mga friends, So, yeah, doon ini-invest yung pera mo if, mag-i-invest ka through an endowment plan, right? Etong mga endowment plan na itong mga friends, this is great for investors na yung gusto ng stable na cash flow. Kasi, predictable kada year. Although sometimes mas maliit, hindi naman mas maliit, pero sometimes it's not how do I say this? Parang not even 10% of your siguro face amount or your total premiums paid. Pero at least meron kang fixed amount, particular amount na pwede i-expect per year, So, yeah, parang siguro para na rin, how do I say this? Yung parang landowner or real estate owner where, alam mo yun, gusto mo yung guaranteed na rent payments per month or di ba? Yung ganong klase. Di ba? So yeah, yun yung endowment plan mga friends, no? Now, doon naman tayo sa VUL na plan mga friends, no? Sa VUL na plan, yung money mo is invested in a mutual fund, no? Hopefully, ina-assess naman ng agent yun mga friends. Depende sa risk tolerance nyo. Baka ikay conservative na investor o kaya naman ikay, anong tawag to? You can allow more risk. Alright? Para, ayun na, to be able to reap the high reward. Di ba mga friends? Tapos, yung life insurer din mga friends, kasi we're talking about mutual funds. Yung life insurer, meron din yung, sabihin natin sister company, okay, na mutual fund manager ba. So, typically life insurers would have mutual funds na parang it's branded the same name. Okay? So, yeah. May iba-iba silang klaseng ino-offer. Depende sa risk tolerance mo. Tapos hopefully, ina-assess yun ng agent and they're recommending the right kind of fund for you, no? And of course, kung, how do I say this? Ikaw rin mag-a-adjust kung gusto mo talaga ng high reward pero hindi ka talaga parang natatakot ka mag-risk. Nasa sa'yo na yun kung willing ka ba mag-go beyond sa comfort zone mo. Alright mga friends? Another notable thing about the VUL mga friends, no? Typically, the first couple of years, magbabayad ka muna ng insurance coverage, okay? Yung pag-set up kasi ng, parang ko explain. Well, ayan na, it takes the first few years for a company to like assure na merong kang coverage for the next 10, 20 years, particularly yung insurance benefits. Okay, so, ganun ko siya naiintindihan based dun sa pagturo sa amin. Pero yeah, typically in a VUL, for the first 3 years, yung insurance coverage mo muna yung babayaran mo. Kasi, well, at its core, insurance plan pa rin yung VUL mga friends right? Tapos for the start after that first couple years saka pa i-invest yung majority ng premium mo nga, right? Ito namang VUL mga friends, no? This is mainly ideal, actually parang ideal lang talaga to for a person that's having a hard time to save, no? Dahil sa structure ng VUL where meron kang charges if you withdraw, how do I say this? Withdraw before a certain time that the provider allows you to, okay? Dahil wala ng charge, right? Tapos parang naka-lock in yung pera mo ba? Alright? Kasi also another way that na di-discourage ka mag-withdraw is the particularly long processing time of withdrawing. Okay, personally na-experience ko yun. It can take between 3 to 10 business days, no? So yeah, hindi siya yung VUL ay naka-structure as a forced savings plan, no? Para throughout the years, hulog ka lang ng hulog and nakikita mo yung growth ng savings mo. Right, mga friends? So yun mga friends, yun yung dalawang klase ng pag-invest through insurance mga friends, no? Endowment and VUL. Right mga friends? Friends, I hope may na-learn kayo, no? I hope na-educate ko kayo more about how insurance works, okay? Particularly yung pag-invest nga through insurance, okay? So, ayun na, no? Like, subscribe to my YouTube, okay? Same video din to lumalabas kasi basically. Pero yeah, follow me if you want more content like this, okay? Thank you for watching. As always, my friends. Next time ulit